We'll guide you through how to group text in Canva. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Start by opening your browser, making sure your connection is stable so everything loads without trouble. Then type Canva into the search bar and wait for the results to show up before selecting the first website that appears, since that is usually the official page. Once the site opens, log in with your account or create one if you do not already have it, because you will need access before you can start working. After you're logged in, look at the menu on the left side and click the Create button to begin your project. When the creation window shows up, type the ratio you want to use in the search bar. As an example, you can choose the wallpaper ratio like the one mentioned earlier, then click it so Canva opens a new blank page with that specific size. When the page loads, move to the left side again and find the text section, then click Add a text box so you can place your first text element on the canvas. You can type anything you want into this text box. After that, adjust it by changing the font, choosing a color that fits your idea, and turning on the bold option if you want your text to stand out more. When the first text box looks the way you want, add one more text by clicking the same Add a text box button for the second time, and edit this new text as well based on your needs so both pieces of text match your design. Once you finish editing the second text, place it underneath the first layer to form a clear hierarchy between the two. After positioning them, select both text layers at the same time by clicking and dragging your cursor across them, or by holding the Shift key while clicking each one. When both are highlighted, right-click and look for the three dots that show extra options. Click those dots to open the extended menu, then search for the group option and select it. This will group the two layers together so you can move them as one unit. After grouping, you can adjust the combined text layer freely, making it easier to position or resize without losing alignment.